Stop overcooking your chicken. Let me show you how to make this absolutely juicy chicken. We're gonna start with a preheated hex-clad pan, put a little avocado oil, salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken, and then put it skin side down for about 5 minutes. Once we flip it over, we can see that the skin is nice and golden brown and delicious. And at this point, we're just adding those last flavor touches. Yes, that white truffle butter. We're gonna butter baste this to finish with a little crushed garlic in the pan. And we're gonna bring the temperature down and kind of baby this. We want this to be the most juiciest, luscious chicken you'll ever put between those two beautiful lips of yours. Now that the chicken's rested, we're ready to slice and we're ready to plate up. So this chicken is gonna go on a beautiful plate. We're gonna shingle it just like you do at the fine dining places that you've all been to. And we're gonna add some beautifully cut chives on top. We have that white truffle butter pan sauce, and we ain't gonna let it go to waste. It's got all those beautiful dripping flavors in there. Go in for the taste test. Oh my God. Dip it in the juice. On the skin, a little crispy skin. That's when you know you nailed it. All right, I'll see you later.